Hello, welcome back to day 10 of learning Python. In this video, we are going to learn about escape sequences. Okay, let me create a folder 10 escape sequences. I will just go inside the folder and I will click on with the code. Let me add the Python file, maybe 01 escape. Let me say maybe I just want to print how are you. I mentioned how I am good. So I want to print it in different lines. Can I print this one? No. We can see an error, unterminated string literal. What does that mean? Because we are going against the rules of Python, which says that you cannot terminate a string literal in the next line. So you can't do that. You will have to do it in the single line if you are using the double quote. Okay, now how do we fix this problem? I want to print, hey, how are you? Then I want to print, I am good in the new line. Can I do that? Yes, I can do that. But I will do using the escape sequence character. So I'll just put backslash and n in between the line. So let's see what will happen. Oh, you can see that, hey, how are you? I'm good in the second line. That's what we wanted, right? That's awesome. But how does it work? Character like backslash n are called escape sequence characters. These are special characters in Python which have special functionality like printing a tab or printing a new line. Let me also show you some other escape sequence character. You can print a new line, you can print a tab. Sometimes you need to print backslash literally. This will create a confusion because backslash n is already an escape sequence character. Okay, maybe I want to print one backslash, then I want to print new line, but this will not work, right? I mean, if I want the backslash here, again, it's not possible because backslash n is already an escape sequence character. So what I can do is I can add another backslash. So it is another escape sequence character. It will create a backslash in the output. As you can see, uh, hey, how are you? I'm good. And backslash new line is printed. Now let's go ahead and try other escape sequence characters. Sometimes we want to literally print double quote, and sometimes you want to print single quote literally. We can do that using escape sequence character. Maybe I want to print double quote in between hello world. Let me just print double quote hello world. Here I want to print double quote in between hello world. So I can't do that because Python get confused, right? If I put double quote here, will it print? No, I can't do that because Python will get confused on whether this double quote is the termination of this string or is it a double quote within this string. So this will be confusing, right? So in order to literally type double quote inside the string, we put backslash then double quote. Let's try to print. You can see that hello double quote world is printed. So I hope you understood. Let us try to explore more escape sequence characters. So these are like most of the characters will be used in the like most of the time. I'll insist you to write a code again and again because writing the code only make you better programmer. Now let's talk about maybe tab. I want to print something, maybe tab here. I want some space in between tab and here. How can I do that? It's simple. I have to put backslash and t. If I Okay, I will not give space here so that it will be easy to understand. So I will try to run this one. You can see that after tab a space is there. I mean a tab space. And another maybe escape sequence example, you can see double quote, right? If you want single quote, you can just type after backslash single quote. That also printed. Yes. Now let's talk about print statement in Python. We already know that how the print statement works, right? But there are some other features of print statement. Now let us say I want to print hello world. I use double quotes, right? Can I use single quotes here? Maybe I will try. Maybe I will try print single quote hello Jack. Let's try to print. Yes, hello world and hello Jack is printed. Any characters enclosed inside single quote or double quote is a string and will be treated as a string in Python. Maybe I will give another example. I will just take out this one. Maybe I will put an comma. Hello world. I will print Jack. I'll put double quote here so that I can enclose the string, and here as well. Let me try to run this one. Let's see. Hello world Jack is printed, correct? But did you notice something? After hello there is one space, okay, because it's there here. And after world we can see some space here also. The space is here, and comma also there. Let me say maybe after Jack 7 a integer, I can print integer also. A space will be printed by default. This is because, let me just print, see, this is because now if you give it like multiple arguments, like hello world is an one argument, and Jack is an another argument, and 7 is another argument, a space will be printed. Now some people get confused that this space is being printed. No, it's not being printed. Even if I get rid of this space, a space will be printed. I can show you that. I will just remove the space here. If I try to run this one, you can see that a space is same like earlier. The results are same. So now the question is, can we overwrite this? I mean, whatever the default behavior, can we overwrite this part? Yes, we can override this part. Uh, what you can do is you can add a separate and equal to, then give the separator of your choice, or you can give end equal to and give ending character of your choice. So I will show how this works. So whenever you type print hello world Jack or 7, let me just type it scp equal to comma. Let me just run this program. Did you see that? After hello world, you can see a comma is printed. After every argument, a comma is printed now. Previously, we were seeing spaces. Now we see comma. Why is it so? Because the space is separated by comma now, and we have overridden that value. We can also make it forward slash. Maybe if I put forward slash, if I try to run this one, you can see that after hello world and Jack, every argument forward slash is printed. Okay, this is how separation works. Now let's comment this line. Let me give example for how END works. We'll just show you so that you can understand more. Maybe I will put one comma. Okay, let me try to run this one. Hello world, Jack is printed in the same line now. After every print statement which has end is equal to comma, a comma will be printed. Then I can see Jack here. So comma is printed after a string. What if I try maybe double dots? Will it work? Yes, see, after hello world, a double dot and Jack is printed. So I have instructed it to end with double dots. Maybe I will try to end this with the maybe backslash. Let me try to run this one. Front slash, oh sorry, it was a front slash is printed. I hope you like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.